How to create an email template using HubSpot, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create an email template using HubSpot. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your HubSpot.com and you will land right here. HubSpot.com is our CRM platform. You can just log into your account. Once you get right here, you can see we have context, conversations, marketing, sales, services, automation, and reports. Under our conversations right here, we have templates. So you have to select this option. Click on new template. So if you want to select a template from the template gallery or start from the scratch, you can just click on from scratch. This is going to be your new template that you will be creating. So you can enter the name and subject line. Here you will add a template. So you will just enter your body of your email address. If you want to add different things such as images and links, if you want to insert something, any documents, snippets, you can do from here. Enter the text as a body, for example, hello and name, and this just enter right here whatever you want to write and your footer of your email. You can also enter your signature so that you don't have to add them every time. Now what you can do is you can share it with everyone in your team so that they will be able to know this is the template they will be working with. This is your official email template for your company. And you can also create a folder here if you want to. You can keep it private. And once you're done with your template, click on save and your new template will be created. You can see I have created a new template, email template on HubSpot. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.